I'm CK. If you've seen some of my trying videos where I try stuff out, I use another side of my workshop to do that, and over there my lighting has been somewhat inconsistent and drives me crazy as I'm trying to adjust things that are not right for that purpose. So I went on Amazon, and for $49 US I got 2 rechargeable LED studio lights that look like they're both battery powered and have variable color temperature, and I don't know whether the color temperature is actually tunable or whether it's filters in front, but it looked like a good alternative, so let's take a look at them. This is just for fun to see what is in the box and see how they look, and I hope you enjoy the video. Here's the box, and it says made in China on the side, and this says something 2-pack light with 63-inch tripod stand. And again, for $49 US, that's probably going to be exactly what I want, and if it's not, I haven't lost much, have I? Let's open the box up, and then we've got 3 more boxes inside. 1, 2, and this looks like a something. Oh, that looks like a umbrella, reflector umbrella. This one looks like something, probably a tripod, I'm gonna guess. And this one feels the same weight and is probably another tripod. Let's see what we got. This box has, oh, that's a nice little tripod. It's got a fairly standard screw on the end. I don't know if it fits a camera, so I don't know if I can dual purpose this. I hope you can see that. With my cameras in this position, it's often hard for me to see what's going on. Extends, and it's got good locking positioning there. I can move it, but if I really crank it down, I can still move it a little bit, but they're pretty good. Spread the legs out a little bit. Oop. That looks good. And I can set it for a broad base or a high base. So we got one of those. And this, I assume, is its partner in crime. Yes, it is. Another one. Good. Throwing boxes and garbage around. We'll just set that there for a second. And here should be the umbrella reflectors, I think. Up, nope. Up, golly gosh. So it came with 2 USB chargers. Probably scary. Go look at Diode Gone Wild's channel to have a bunch of information about dodgy USB chargers. And this is a carrying case, which is nice. It's kind of a little tote bag. It doesn't seal at the top, but it's a tote bag. Can't beat that. User manual. And just for a second, I'm going to take a look at the camera positioning to see if I'm getting any of this actually in the shot. Yes, it appears that I am. Good. We're not going to look at the instructions unless absolutely necessary, because that's the kind of people we are. Oh, good, it does have... It does look like it has buttons. Oh, they're not. They don't appear to be umbrellaed or reflectorized. There's a USB cable, and then here's some buttons here, and I don't have up, down, on, off, and mode is what these say on the little controller here. So, okay, I don't know if you can see this because, again, I don't have a good camera over here. We've got yellow LEDs and amber LEDs. So that's how we can vary it. And then a little brass screw to screw them into the tripods. And then looks like a vent here, lots of venting, because looks like this The LEDs are on an aluminum heatsink, which is cool. Because we're the kind of people we are, we're just going to turn it on, hoping there may be some charge. And there doesn't appear to be charge. So let me plug this USB cable into something or other. And this is kind of annoying to get loose. Come on! Come out of there. Come out of there, little fella. There you go. Because I'm never going to wind that up again. So hold on a second, I'll go out of frame and so on to plug this in. It might turn on, but it didn't. So I don't know, I don't think this is actually rechargeable. I think it simply runs off 4.5 volts on the USB connector. Now we'll turn this on. Wow. It's a lot of light. Let me shine it on the table so you can see the difference. It's very, very even, which is what I like. Now we're going to go through modes. Mode, up. It's very yellow. That's mixed. That's the bright white. Bright yellow or amber. And mixed. I think I'll probably end up using mixed. Then we've got up and down. Oh, you can change the intensity. That's good. So I'm going to turn this off momentarily. Put it on its little tripod. See how easy that goes. And it's got a little twisty wheel, which makes it very handy. I'm going to go this way. Okay, so now I've got it out of the frame again, but what I'm going to do is aim it down at the work surface here. Easily, the tripod works pretty easily. They're a little flimsy, but I don't care. I think for what the purpose we have them for, they're going to be great. Turn it on, turn the intensity all the way up, and look at the next one, which should be obviously exactly the same. But you may be able to see it a little better because we've got more light coming down here. Power 10 watts, that's not bad. Color temperature from 2500 to 8500 K. I can move this closer, tilt it all the way down, tilt it up. This is very, very useful. I think this will be fine. Does me there's the bright blue intensity color. There's the amber, more sunlighty color on a very hazy day or a smoky day. There's the mixed. So that's what we got. That seems pretty good. I think if you purchase this set of 2 for 50 bucks, I think you'll be happy, and I will be using these over in this part of the shop. So my trying videos will have a little better and more even lighting. And I hope you enjoyed looking at what's in the box and what these small, inexpensive lights do.